This is how I made this sterling silver textured disc bracelet. So I started off with 5 Fretz hammers. This is really just because I was being greedy, because I had borrowed all 5 hammers. And I annealed my pre-cut discs. I then put each disc on a steel block with a rubber block underneath, and I used a bit of double-sided tape just to make sure it didn't slip. Then I closed a sterling silver jump ring, and then I soldered this shut just using a bit of solder paste, and then I used the hammer on this as well, and I hit it with the hammer just to see what kind of texture this would lead to, and I was absolutely delighted with the results. I made lots of different textured discs, and these are all the textures that you can create, and this meant that I was able to have a little bit of a choice. I did a little template so I could mark out the dots, and then I used a center punch to mark out where I wanted to drill, and then used my drill to drill through those holes. And then I connected it all together using jump rings, and then I soldered each one of those jump rings. I oxidized all the discs to bring out that beautiful texture, and then this is the finished piece, and I just love it.